Marago bengi omwancho muligereria ndo cia sori ritukoria ijuma chitariki ni 5 mutinyi o Ikomi nomo mwaka bw'ekirubwe na 2024 chinga kineranire kigima kumenya Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ayo bwengenche Cynthia kirubo kabana inchi Ikomweri Tuguchakira na roboti kurwase county ya Kisii abwase bona babwatani bekiombe kiabateresa gose kimanyakanete buna nanbe county ya Kisii ono nigo banyareko bakuraria gukura umugirobo yo chageteri tukoria Jumanne ewiki yeiga neye maiga yo gukuru kuigwanana ase gose amone serikali ya county ya Kisii nsibora ibumo governor Paul Simba Arati
Murochentu arwete strike notice iyo nurses baito ba chagete kuruigoro bakarero ase bintu bitu akwanerete tutayete kotebanga county government ya bikwaneire chi promotion jitu akwanerete government ya ire nurses kobakinie biwango chinjere chao gwetera masomo negendrete kuru na bali batakiro kiwiwe bwango bayikiro moelio lakini batakiri gukiniwa asengencho bayikiro moelio mabaga babira advertised advert ya engerero isiko na amabaga asokulika nurses county government to ayengechiri yanchirengo chire kwa soki advert anytime soon so that the nurses bali kwe bakonye shortage yeroro bagendere kuru services next training ntoi wanana nurses ngichi bali ko iruchi training senior management course next training chinde igonta kete gotebanga enere nchire yemo takiri tuigwanana ntoko genda mugomo county government tate ko bateinga nturi tayare tuigwanana ase bintu binde byonse igotu atebirenga omo sike governor through SCC yao oimesta nyakweba orenge 92 tuanchira nirale tuakwana na ande tate gotanka awasisi nyakweba mbiyamo na sengenji yogo ikaransa na into ase Getembe tuagiri no mugavana through your pressings na into ko wakiranga mbiyamo no asa mangana ali tuakwana tuigwanana next time gatoendere ko twarubu amate asengenji abantu baitutete tuigwana namo anda ndo ipakonye bagendere kuru service tu abana inji ndakate koteba mugomori twabwate ono twa nyokoli off abantu baito baira negas uwo mwaelio pa 8 am mambia eyere Saturday atoko ikirega tigarita se sekte yuyo bochenu bono kurase county ya Nyamira ekiombe kyabarwaire kimanyekanete buna guko kyabarwaria kimanyekanete buna guko ime county yu ya Nyamira titukolia rero boigoni ubanyaka bakuraria gutuguterare kugania kogenda somogiro asama tuko amakanya reko bakagweta na se ebaya kwana yega ekero babekese yo kuibona na no governor bwe county yu ya Nyamira muske Amos Nyaribu.
Today, we have met with the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers and have signed a memorandum of agreement on issues they had raised concerning their welfare. I appreciate them for the role they play in provision of health services, and I pledge that my administration will honor the agreement.
The major issue was promotions and redesignations. I want to thank the county government of Nyamira for coming up with an agreement where our members are going to be promoted effective.
Kutikana na roboti urure sekta yo bocheno kurwa senseminde oniga biboli baboli kutiga kunya gukwana igoro ya mate mwando nsiase bali kusasi bali chigasi chabo na nigo baya kwana ase omoyego emugwa matanga Chinsa mo chabara bwime county ya Nyamira abwase omo oyore mo secretary wekiombe kyanat aserieta Charles niganyara ko bagako kwanira biboli nasanyara ko bagako obatebi banyara ko bakulinda bana babo chinga kichiga chichirus
of Borabu to the entire family of Msenya Ngweso. Toko batagera baya na sabalende na enda baire moto. This is the far muwaka nyangwesa ko baleta. Kotiganya saba siseni na enda balende na abantu bonse bali tuwajagala toko genda ya saa tulende. Number 2 amatemu nagenderete KCSE negenderete. In Nyamira amatemu tuwakole the first days amatemu is doing well ndura tuwana mangana ande. ujumbe neye amatemu tigira bari bakora amatemu problem waba gusitobwate yoko nyoro kugamba igoro ya amatemu ekiro esoko ni kingeni no wanyu tubwati DS number keep off kuresa amatemu tiga abana baito bakora amatemu egasiao no gusabera abana amatemu kendura mbona yana ngo kingeni jire igana ngo eta mo ino nande kingeni nyora baterete igoro ya amatemu ingumi ndi mwa baneki keep off amatemu tiga amatemu akoru senjerere ngikera ngabana bagenda bakora na itutuganya amatemu asoke emenu ire chiro nero yarite mechando number ibere. That's number 3, the last one. A county ido ya Nyamira. Tubwate mechando, but we want to say no MCA bara batiri mbogoma pe county bakore pe banking. Mugungure mata au kolega asiengia. If the MCA salia, if the representative go governor the area, the abagande mate gaiga, soma pe county ba pe maki vaira neto kolegas. We cannot be moving backward because we have stayed behind for a very long time. Otherwise, tiganti kena mangana okuana, abana tugoto nerali, tuira abana baito college. No tugoto kerare, tubugate e college ngoralia e kurukura butitisi. Chibes chigo kubara, aboko ja vision point. Ninde member ya vision point. You can also come to vision point or Gueroni or Romane school.
Kurase County ya Nyamira bono County Commissioner we County ya Nyamira Serita Erastus Mbuyi wana nitkoli ale ranyara ko bagakora ugosimeka kwemeta se wodi ya Getembe County ya Nyamira ase bunenchire yamuyo kuigora beno kubwatekana amona maganyo ya serikali ase kero mochibwa ganiri gosimeka emete kerari tkolia Ijumaa intangani ya kiromoti. Kutikana na roboti yoruru Fred Agari ra chiko torosaria senchira yo gwikirano ase Ekeonga Chinsa ibe nabwo Ekeonga Chinsa nye moni gaba bwatani bekemerie chae banyariko bakora umusangirekano asensemo ya keroka lyo kwanera amangana manga yarengete sector yo bulemi nabwo omulemi bwekemerie chae asimanyariko baba ko tebamna osibanyako bago kwanera meroberie bekire ri gochigo kinya obulemi obwekemerie.
David Rono, Chairman West of Rift Smallholder Tea Factories Association. We met today in Keroka, directors from 19 companies. Those are factories from the entire western block of KTDA. We met for one particular business. We were launching our association, which was officially registered on 30th August this year. So we met here today, all the directors from those factories, and we officially launched our association. Our association will address issues affecting the tea sector in the western part of the country, the west of Rift, that is KTDA factories all. This is a voice for all the KTDA factories to the western Rift. That is basically what we intend to do as an association. So we'll be championing marketing of tea for our block member factories. We'll be dealing with matters quality. We'll be dealing with any other matter that is beneficial to the smallholder tea farmer in the western block of KTDA. We'll be advocating for their welfare.
From Okonyibo Moraiwense Professor Kithure Kindiki ase enkwana ya yeri tukoligoro nikwana netako bakakwenekelia bakenya mune serikali nebegete mirobiri saini elego chigokinia uchumi ense ya Kenya nemono gukinia sector ya uchumi ose sector ya chisemi nabege sector iyo bochana.
The past 2 years as we look forward to opening a new chapter in our collective effort to deliver the economic transformation and empowerment of the people of Kenya to realize better standards of living. The government has made significant strides towards the transformation of our food security situation, health, education, as well as stabilizing spikes on prices of essential household commodities since September 2022. The government's resolve to introduce a higher education funding model that is student-centered and to roll out universal health, affordable housing, and other initiatives require constant communication for public buy-in, input, and feedback in the spirit of a people-centered delivery of our country's development agenda. I have no doubt whatsoever that well-crafted public-private partnership projects are essential for the realization of strategic public sector infrastructure development projects and will cushion our country from incurring unsustainable debt for financing our country's development needs. As we pursue Kenya's economic so Ekeonga Chinsa ibiri nabo Ekeonga Chinsenye nekero chinga kecha bali kibeta mangana bagendete kwene kibnanko ya sangire bali bako ya letere bututukana ubonde bwensi ebotayo tori marago bengia na ijumengia happy sabbath go chase bali bali adventista tori marago bengia no bulgelio byenche Cynthia kiruba kuna sema transmission tuenganere Enoch Ochoki.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Jipatie majiko ya kupikia yaliyoboreshwa au yale yanayotumia nishati safi kama vile jiko lililoboreshwa linalotumia